A delivery truck depreciates in value by 12% per year. Which of the following equations gives the value of a 48 grand truck after T years? So this is the percent decrease formula. Okay, and they like to use V of T. So in this case, V of T is going to equal the initial value times 1 minus the rate to the T power. So that's the initial value. Rate is rate as a decimal. Very important that you understand that. T is time. So you are going to be my rate, except you're going to be 0.12. You're my initial value, and T is still time. I've got no information about that. So V of T is going to equal 48000 times 1 minus 0.12 to the T, which ends up being V of T times 48,000, 0.88 to the T, and B is my answer also to the T. Puns.